Here are the top 5 plumbing things every household should know. 1. Know where your main shutoff is. 2. Never pour fats and coffee grounds down the sink. 3. Wipes aren't flushable, even if they say they are. 4. Report slow drains early. And number 5, don't ignore leaking taps or signs of water damage. Most plumbing problems start small and get worse when they're ignored. Simple awareness makes a big difference. If you need advice, call FlowFix Plumbing. We're happy to help. FlowFix Plumbing, your local maintenance and renovation specialist.